In 2015, a woman named Glenna Durham was found guilty of shooting her husband, Martin, 5 times in Michigan. But what's surprising is how the police found out she did it. A parrot saw the whole thing happen. Glenna shot her husband in front of their parrot and then tried to kill herself. The parrot, an African gray named Bud, heard everything. Later, the parrot repeated the words, "Don't shoot," in the husband's voice. Even though the parrot wasn't used as evidence in court, the jury still found Glenna guilty of first-degree murder. She was 49 years old at the time. Christina Keller, the ex-wife of the man who was murdered, now takes care of the parrot, Bud. She thinks that the parrot is repeating what it heard on the night of the murder. According to her, the parrot says, "Don't shoot,"